Hello.
Hi, welcome to the rooftop garden. Can I help you?
Yes, I want join the gardening group.
You want to join the gardening group?
Yes, but I not have much experience.
You don't have much experience? That's okay. We help beginners.
When do you meet?
We meet every Saturday at 10 a.m.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning. We are happy to have you.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the Zero Waste Store. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to know if I can bring my own containers.
You want to know if you can bring your own containers. Yes, you can. We love when people do that.
I not do this before.
You have not done this before? No problem. I can show you how.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning. Bringing your own containers is great for the planet.
Hello.
Hi. Do you like the art wall?
Yes, it is beautiful. Can I paint a mural here?
Yes, you can. We welcome new artists.
I not paint on wall before.
You have not painted on a wall before? That's okay. We can help you.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning. Have fun and be creative.
Hello.
Hi. Are you here to exercise?
Yes, but I not know how use this equipment.
You don't know how to use this equipment? No problem. I can show you.
Thank you. Is it hard to use?
No, it is easy. Just start slow and be careful.
My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning. Enjoy your workout.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a strong day.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the soup kitchen. Can I help you?
Yes, I want volunteer here.
I not volunteer before.
You have not volunteered before? No problem. We will show you what to do.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning. Helping others is wonderful. Hello.
Hi, are you here to wait for the storm to pass?
Yes, I not want to walk in heavy rain.
You don't want to walk in heavy rain? That's smart. You can wait here until it stops.
How long this storm will stay?
How long will the storm stay? Maybe 30 more minutes.
Thank you. My English. Hello.
Hi, do you want to use the sewing machine?
You have not used this machine before? No problem. I can show you how.
Thank you. Is it easy to use?
Yes, it is easy. Just go slow and be careful with the needle.
My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning. Enjoy sewing.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have fun making something new. Hello.
Hi, are you here for the hiking group?
Yes, I want to know about next trip.
You want to know about the next trip? Yes, we are going hiking this Sunday.
I not hike before with group.
You have not hiked with a group before? That's okay. We help new people.
What time you start?
We start at 8 in the morning.
Thank you. My English not. Hello.
Hi, are you here for the community fridge?
Yes, I not know if I can take food.
You don't know if you can take food? Yes, you can take what you need.
Can I leave food here too?
Yes, you can leave food for others. Please write the date.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning. This fridge helps.
Hello?
Hi, are you here for bird watching?
Yes, but I not have binoculars.
You don't have binoculars? No problem. We have some you can borrow.
Thank you. How I use them?
How do I use them? Just look through the lenses and turn this wheel to focus.
My English not perfect.